Let's check out if you can spot a difference between these two clips. Here is the first one and here is the second one. You can see a slightly interesting view in second clip, and that's what we're gonna learn: speed ramping. So what is speed ramping? The process of ramping your footage speed up or down in order to gain an exciting effect in your boring videos. Like if you want to slow the footage, you need to decrease the speed of the footage, and want to speed up, need to increase the speed of the footage. But you don't just want to speed ramp everything. You want to be focused and targeted with your choice for speed ramping. So let's create this boring video into this video by using speed ramping. Open Premiere Pro and select your scene where you want to be ramped, and this footage is shot at 60 frames per second. After selection of the scene, select this pen tool icon here and mark it in the video. And choose the in-between scene where you want to ramp your footage and mark it again. Then select the first marker and spread out or separate it as shown in the screen. And same goes to the second one. Now drag the line above to speed up the scene, and let's see how's it looking. Not good. But now adjust the duration of the scene. As you can see, I have separated more on this scene. And to smooth the accent, just hold the handler in between the cut. Here you can see, and slightly tilt it till you get the S curve symbol. And let's see how it looking. And it's now good. Now select the third scene and mark it here and drag down the line for slow motion. And let's see, and it's pretty much good, but I need it more slow, so drag a little more. And now it's good. Then mark the fourth scene and increase the speed by dragging up the line. And here is the thing, for increasing and decreasing of the speed is totally depend in your footage. Now we need to smooth out the scene by creating the S curve symbol in between the cut. Sometimes the frame is lost in the process of speeding up and down of the footage. So for filling that frame, change the time interpolation from frame sampling to optical flow to fill out the frame. Now let's see our video. And here is the thing, if you want to level up your video, so in this video here you will learn a variety of tutorials so you can add up in your video. Goodbye guys.